News. Researchers gave a group of wild vampire bats a substance that activated their immune systems, making them feel sick. It was found that this group of bats started to practice social distancing automatically, sick bats interacting with fewer bats, and healthy bats staying away from sick bats. Lab-created heart valves can grow with the recipient. When implanted in lambs, researchers showed that the tri-tube valves work better than current animal-derived valves with almost none of the calcification or blood clotting that the other valves showed. Fishing boats that trawl the ocean floor release as much carbon dioxide as the entire aviation industry. Parasites that cause the disease visceral leishmaniasis, also known as kala-azar, may make dogs smell more attractive to female sandflies, which feed on a dog's blood and can pick up the parasite and transfer it to humans through a bite. Several filaments of the cosmic web have been directly observed using the MUSE instrument on ESO's Very Large Telescope in Chile. These observations of the early universe, 1 to 2 billion years after the Big Bang, point to the existence of a multitude of hitherto unsuspected dwarf galaxies. Intense, widespread bushfires in Australia injected huge amounts of smoke into the stratosphere in 2020. Hirsch and Coren found that this smoke caused record-breaking levels of aerosols over the southern hemisphere, as much as that from a moderate volcanic eruption. A study of Japanese university students and recent graduates shows that writing on physical paper can lead to more brain activity when remembering the information an hour later. Researchers say spatial and tactile information associated with writing on physical paper likely leads to better memory. Scientists have successfully reconstructed a 66-million-year-old shark that looked similar to modern-day manta rays, providing previously unknown insights into the morphology of cartilaginous fishes of the late Cretaceous. Researchers discover novel inflammatory mechanism responsible for bone damage caused by rheumatoid arthritis, opening up opportunities for new therapeutic interventions to mitigate the effects of the disease, for which there is currently no specific treatment. Scientists grew human tear glands in the lab, and now they're making them cry. Study: eating a healthy, plant-based diet that includes foods like vegetables, whole grains and beans, and decreasing intakes of less healthy foods like refined grains or added sugars may reduce risk of having a stroke by up to 10%. Researchers at NC State University demonstrate lettuce grown under semi-transparent organic solar cells do not hinder yield or nutrient content. Study suggests that over 2/3 RDs of SARS-CoV-2-like zoonotic events would not ignite a pandemic, indicating that spillover of these viruses may be frequent, even if pandemics are rare. Large, highly connected urban contact networks with superspreading seem critical to the establishment of SARS-CoV-2. Double-duty catalyst generates hydrogen fuel while cleaning up wastewater. Novel coronavirus circulated undetected months before first COVID-19 cases in Wuhan, China. Study dates emergence to as early as October 2019. Simulations suggest in most cases zoonotic viruses die out naturally before causing a pandemic. Science, the 18th of March 2021.